Hi students, welcome to Kribai Tuition Center. Now we will see example number 5.29. This is a very simple sum, though it is very lengthy, but this is a very simple sum. A circular garden is bounded by East Avenue and Crossroad. So this is East Avenue and this is Crossroad. Crossroad intersects the North Street. The North Street is on the y-axis. See the diagram. So Crossroad intersects the North Street at D and East Avenue at D. So this North Street and the Crossroad will intersect at point D, and the Crossroad and the East Avenue will intersect at the point E. AD is tangential to circular garden at A point 3, 2. So this is tangential. So this is the tangent line to this circle at the point A 3, 10. Using this figure, find the equation of East Avenue, North Street, Crossroad. Then B part of the question, where does the Crossroad intersect the East Avenue and North Street? Now we will solve one by one. Now A part, first one. They are asking you to find the equation of East Avenue. So East Avenue is here. You can see 2 points are given. Now you need to find the equation of this line. When 2 points are given and when they ask for equation of the straight line, what is the formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So now substitute the values. Y minus 2 by 2 minus 2 is equal to x minus x1 is what? 0. So x2 is 7. 7 minus 0. Cross multiply. 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now so 7 into y minus 2. Put a bracket. 7 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now first term with the first term and first term with the second term. 7y minus 14 is equal to 0. So 7y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 2. Now what is the equation of the East Avenue? Y is equal to 2 is the equation of the East Avenue. Next, they are asking you to find the equation of North Street. Now you can see that the North Street is on the y-axis. So whenever it is on the y-axis, what is the equation? X is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the North Street. X is equal to 0 is the equation of the North Street. Next. Third, they are asking you to find equation of Crossroad. So where is Crossroad? Here is Crossroad. Now see, 1 point is given, no other values are there for you. So now what we can do is, this is a theorem you have and you have studied this in the smaller classes. Whenever there is a tangent to the circle, from the middle of the circle, this line is perpendicular to this line. When you draw a line, the radius is perpendicular to the tangent of the circle. So this is a theorem. So what we are going to find now is, we are going to find the slope MA and we are going to find the perpendicular slope here. Now using point slope form, we are going to form the equation of the crossroad. So now it passes through 3, 10. Now find the slope M1. What is the slope formula? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So substitute the values. So minus 3 by 4. Now, since the crossroad and this radius is perpendicular, so we use perpendicular condition, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So now what is the slope of this line AD? 4 by 3. Now to find the equation of the crossroad, we have slope m is equal to 4 by 3 and passing through point 3, 10. Now what is the point slope form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 10 is equal to 4 by 3 into x minus 3. Cross multiply, 3y minus 30 is equal to 4x minus 12. So 4x minus, I am bringing this to the right side, 3y minus 12 plus 30 is equal to 0. 4x minus 3y plus minus 18 is equal to 0. So 4x minus 3y plus 18 is equal to 0 is the equation of the crossroad. So 4x minus 3y plus 18 is equal to 0. Now B part of the question, where does the crossroad intersect the East Avenue? So where does the crossroad intersect the East Avenue at the point E? So now you need to find the point E. So we need to solve this equation and this equation. You have what? Y is equal to 2 is the East Avenue equation. Now substitute y is equal to 2 in crossroad equation. So 4x minus 18 minus 6 is 12. So x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 2. So it intersects at minus 3, 2. So crossroad and East Avenue intersect at minus 3, 2. Now second part, where does the crossroad intersect the North Street? So the crossroad and the North Street intersect at point D. So now you need to find the value of D. So here x is equal to 0. So North Street equation is what? X is equal to 0. And crossroad equation is 4x minus 3y plus 18 is equal to 0. Now substitute x is equal to 0 in this equation, you will get minus 3y plus 18 is equal to 0. So 4 zeros are 0. Minus 3y is equal to minus 18. Y is equal to minus 18 by minus 3. 6 are 18. So y is equal to 6. So the point of intersection of crossroad and North Street is 0, 6. This D point 0, 6. So 0, 0, 6 is the point of intersection of the North Street and the crossroad. If you are thorough with all the formulas and all the other sums what we have seen till now, This sum will be very easy for you to solve. Thanks for watching.